Angels Pass. We are here by the Hudson, near where I live, Yonkers. Look how the rain's passing by. That was all rain. You can see it's splitting. That's the heavy rain. Now it's just gentle rain. Fog, humidity. It's crazy. Oh, the lens got wet. It's like a scary movie here. We got our rods out here. Whew. We're back with the reporter, Evan. How's the rain going?
She's coming down, folks.
She's coming down. We kind of got soaked, but we're drying out. It's the summer. That's a good thing. He's going to check his line, trying to take advantage. We see the sun rising right now. No, well, the sun is going down. It's going to get nighttime soon. But the rain was kind of refreshing.
Kinda. We're going to leave this one then.
Yeah, we have to.
Yeah, I don't know if we have time to take it out and put it back in, so.
Nah, I don't want to take that risk either. Or maybe I would. Not sure. We'll come back after these messages.
Right?
Evan is thinking about it. He's like, I think I should take it out.
No, we're gonna leave it.
Look at the scenery though. That nice little scenery right here. Evan fishing, and then he's God. He's making the rain go away.
Right? I will turn all the rain into wine.
Imagine. And then the sea turned red. All right, we're back with the forecast. Evan,
What's up?
how's the fishing forecast?
I don't know. We'll see how the weather goes. But,
It seems like the rain stopped after what, 30 minutes?
looks like it's starting to clear up, you know?
We still have our rods in there. We have to take it out and put some bait on it. I feel like the rain made it took it off the hook. Maybe.
Yeah, I mean maybe the current got stronger from all the rainfall. You know, it's possible.
Caught an eel, but it was horrible. Fucked up my line.
Yeah, it happens. All right. Well,
But it looks better now. It doesn't look like it's gonna rain anymore. Nice view. Shelter over here. Been a while. Yo, Evan, I forgot to do an intro. This is a halfway intro. One eel, it sucks. Here with Evan, caught in the rain. Now it's dried up. It feels pretty good.
yeah.
Feels pretty good, pretty good. We have 4 rods. Are we catching anything today other than an eel?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Let's see.
All hopes and dreams. It's been a while since we fished, so
Yeah.
let's
Caught
go.
a lot of eels that time.
Yeah, for sure. No fish, just eels. Let's see how it goes. Oh shit, bro.
You good?
It's small. Big, small. Oh no. Oh, the rod is small. Oh shit. Okay. There it is.
What do we got here, folks? A catfish?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Don't break the line. Oh.
Here, you want me to grab it?
Got it?
No.
Try to come.
All right.
It's a small one, but a chubby one, bro.
Oh yeah, I know.
Right between the boat.
Nice.
I just took a guess. Oh no, I swallowed the hook. Did it? No, it's on the lip. First fish, official. In the nighttime. Evan, you should catch a rod right there then.
It's on the line, yeah.
Well, let's see.
Some little shit. Oh yeah, bro.
What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a crab?
Toadfish.
Oh. I thought you were gonna hit me with it. I'm still recording though.
Yeah, let's go. know.
Yo, I haven't seen toadfish in a while.
I know. Me neither.
Oh, I'm stepping on
Ah.
forbidden liquid.
The forbidden liquid.
God damn it, rain.